Today we will learn about list indexing, right? What is list indexing? You will see today about the concept of forward indexing and backward indexing. What is that? Suppose I have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what is the normal procedure? How you judge the index? Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. It is 0th index. This is first, second, third, fourth. Let's deep dive into it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, here is 5, here is 6. So these are the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now these are the values, these are not the indexes. So what is the index? This is 0th, this is 1th, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, right? No issue. Now according to me, you will believe me, like if I print if I print list of 0, it should give me 1. If I print list of 1, it should give me 2. List of 2, 3, list of 3, 4, list of 4, 5, list of 5, 6. It should give me, right? Let's see. Print list of 0, print list of 1, print list of 2, print list of 3, print list of 4, print list of 5. So total 6 element, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, total 6 element. So from 0 to 5, total 6 are there, right? If I run it, it should give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 1, 2. This second index 3. This second index is 3. This third index is 4. This fourth index is 5. This fifth index is 6. So this is called forward indexing, because you are starting from the 0 ending at 5. Now I want to traverse backward, right? To backward index, if you want to provide the backward indexing, how you will provide it? Let's see. This is 5, the last element. So from the back, it should be the first element, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, right? Ever now if we try to print list of minus 1, print list of minus 2, print list of minus 3, print list of minus 4, print list of -5, print list of -6. Now let's divide them, and this is forward indexing. If you compile it, you can see the forward indexing 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5, and the backward indexing -1. -1 is not the 0th index element. Always remember, -1 is the last index. That is, here what the 5th index, the -1 is the last index, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 6 5 4 3 2 1, like that. Okay, so this is all about the list indexing. And so tomorrow we'll try to learn about the list operations, like concatenation, repetition, and membership operations are also there, right? Okay, thank you for watching.